Subscribe to our channel and click on the bell button to receive important financial updates faster than anybody else. Friends, welcome to another video on profit and equities. In this video, we'll be talking about a fundamentally sound stock which could be a tremendous beneficiary of the upcoming elections. Now, if you like our content, please don't forget to share these videos. This helps the channel grow and us to produce more better content for you in the future. Please watch this video to know more. Now the company in question is Bharat Electronics Limited, which is available at Rs 79.80 and the face value for it is 1. The symbol for it is BEL. Now Bharat Electronics Limited is engaged in design, manufacture and supply of electronic products and systems for the defense requirements as well as for non-defense markets. The company's principal products and services include weapon systems, radar and fire control systems and communication. Now, most capital goods and infra firms, including Bharat Electronics, have been punished by the market. However, Bharat Electronics is doing well on the business front because it caters to a relatively better placed subsegment, which is defense. Now, pickup in the electronic voting machine related orders due to the upcoming parliament and assembly elections is the primary reason for its expected good performance. Its medium-term outlook is also bright, as it has received orders worth Rs 10,000 crores in the second quarter of 2018-19, taking its order book to Rs 49,000 crores, which is around 4 years of revenue. To gain from the Make in India initiative and cut operating costs further, the company is focusing on indigenization. A Religare report says that they remain positive on the growth of Bharat Electronics given its strong order book and its constant indigenization efforts. Now, if you look at the 1 year chart, the company has been a consistent underperformer and a lot of wealth has been destroyed here. The company has a market capitalization of 19,444.01 crores, which means that it's a borderline stock between a mid cap and a large cap. The EPS of 7.46 translates into a cheap price to earnings ratio of 10.70 when compared with the industry PE of 14.73. The price to book ratio of 2.51 is also cheap. The company also has a decent dividend yield of 2.51%, whereas the promoter holding is also a strong number at 61.93%. What is imperative to note here is that it has recently gone down. None of the promoters holding is blessed. Now friends, please don't consider this to be a recommendation on our part. Please go ahead and do your own research. This and all other content that you see on our channel is intended to be a piece of news. We'll also be providing a link to the source for this video in the description section. Please go through it to build more conviction around your investment decision. Thanks for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to the channel, please consider doing so.